Oh my gosh, it looks like it's shooting vertical video. Oh yes, we're definitely Instagramming back there. This thing is flying, which might end up working pretty well. All right, killing the motor. Committed, I'm committed. Don't land in the grass, the thick stuff. Oh, it's gonna be close. Oh, it's gonna be close. All right. Looking good, looking good. Motor's killed, shut off, getting ready to land. Pressure, pressure. Oh, blow balloon, blow balloon. Hold it all the way down. Alright, why did this become vertical video? Let's try it again.